Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Today's date is 14th of December 2020. I'm going to teach you biology. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions. If you know the answer, please raise your hand and answer in complete sentence. Okay? In which state do you live? Yes, we live in Uttar Pradesh. Name the capital city of Uttar Pradesh. The capital city of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Yes, how do you move from one city to another? Yes, very good. We move from one city to another with the help of car, bus, or train. What are car, bus, and train collectively called? Car, bus, train are collectively called modes of transport. How do transport of substances takes place in plants? Okay, students, now we shall study about transport of substances in plants in detail. Name some parts of plants. Yes, some parts of plants are roots, stems, and leaves. What do you understand by transport of substances in plants? Plants take up water and dissolved minerals from soil and transport it to their leaves. The leaves use their water and minerals for synthesizing their food, which is then transported to all parts. Therefore, it is clear that plants also need a transport system for carrying water, minerals, and food through various parts of their body. Okay, name the part of plant that absorbs water. Yes, root absorbs water in plants. How does transport of water and minerals takes place in plants? Plants absorb plant root absorb water and minerals from soil. It is moved from roots up to the stem and leaves through a tube-like tissue called xylem. Absorption of water and flow is a continuous process through xylem tissue. Xylem tissues are the continuous network of channels which connect root to leaves through the stem and branches. It thus transport water and minerals to leaves, an entire part of the plant. I'm so sorry for the noise. Okay. Name the part of plant that prepares food. Yes, leaves prepare food. How does transport of food material takes place in plant? Okay, the food manufactured in the leaf is transferred to different parts of the plants. The transportation of food materials from leaves to other parts of the plants is carried out by the tissue called phloem, and the process is called translocation. The phloem consists of vessels that are known as sieve tubes. The xylem and phloem together form the vascular bundles or conducting tissue. Okay, what is the process through which plants prepare their own food called? Yes, the process through which plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. What is transpiration? The process of evaporation of water through the through the stomata present on the surface of the leaves is called transpiration. The continuous evaporation of water from the leaves produces an upward pull called a suction force. This force pulls the water from the roots upward towards the stem, branches, and finally to the leaves. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions based on whatever I have taught you now. If you know the answer, please raise your hand and answer in complete sentence. Okay? Name the tissue which helps in transport of water and minerals. Yes, xylem helps in transport of water and minerals. Name the tissue that helps in transport of food materials in plants. Yes, phloem helps in transport of food materials. What is translocation? Yes, the process of transferring food from leaves to other parts is called translocation. What are conducting tissues? Xylem and phloem together are called conducting tissues. What is transpiration? The process of evaporation of water through the stomata present on the surface of the leaves is called transpiration. Okay, right, true or false? Plants do not need a transport system for carrying water minerals. Yes, it is false. Xylem are tube-like structure which helps in transport of water and minerals. Yes, true. Transport of food materials takes place through xylem. Yes, false. Phloem consists of seed tubes. Yes, it is true. Xylem and phloem are collectively called vascular bundles. Yes, it is true. Now, note down today's homework. You have to draw the diagram of transport of water through xylem. Okay, students? Done? Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much, class.